We're having a morning tour of the garden, but equally and even more scenic is the route to the garden. Please join me on this walk. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's a place where I grow, cook, and share. Good morning. It's the hottest day of the year today. There's a heat wave still, and we are expecting 39 today. But we're going to the garden to check on our plants and to do some pruning and enjoy breakfast as well. But the treat is the view along the way. Join me. This will be an interesting tour, not of the garden itself, but to the garden. Eindhoven is not yet awake. Look, the streets are empty. I think I'm the only soul on the streets now. Look at this. Behind is a monastery, formerly a monastery. In fact, this area now here is a cemetery. Let's look behind. Nothing to see. Further. Welcome to the interesting part of the journey. Journey as if it was a long journey. It's just a 2.5 kilometer walk from home, but this is the most interesting or the most scenic part. This is called the Juniper Park. And to the left, this is the gate to a former monastery. Further behind, there's a monastery there, and this is the river. This is the Romulo River. Its origin is in Belgium, and it flows through here. Small river. Not very scenic. Oh, something interesting, I almost forgot. This is a water mill. The Juniper Water Mill. And that's the river that powers it. Let's continue walking. There's another route here.
Yeah.
Look at the houses here, beautiful. Walkers there. And can you hear the birds? I hope you heard that. Another passage here. Look at that. Do we see the cows today? And let's continue our walk. Look, a farmhouse, beautiful. And here's an ice skating facility. We're close. We're close. We're almost there. In case you haven't noticed that, that's a football facility. Look at this road, unbelievably clean. There. Finally we're here. Can you hear the birds? And that's our garden. Look. And this is the view in the morning here. let's enjoy a reward. Breakfast, surrounded by the greens and the flowers and by the birds. And that ends our walk. I hope you enjoyed it. Join me again next time.